Hi everyone, myself Naveen Kumar. I am from Karur Tamil Nadu. I have completed my postgraduate MCA in Anna University. After completing my graduation, I searched a job in IT field. And that time, one of my friends referred about Evision Techno Private Limited. It is an IT recruitment platform. After that, I joined on 13 June 2022. After joining Evision, they conduct the daily sessions with mock interview sessions. After learning that, I got a 100% of confidence to attend the job interview in IT field. After that, I have attended the interview in CMS IT Service, Bangalore. I got an 2.6 LPA salary. The Evision people are very good and kind and polite. They have teach very well and easy to learn their sessions. Fresher can join in the Evision to learn more and develop their qualities. In Evision, they have for anytime response with the call or email. That is a 100% solution they give to the trainee. Thanks for Evision. That is a good opportunity for me. For searching a job in IT field, you can join in Evision Techno Private Limited, Bangalore. They have good platform to the freshers, and also graduation people or working people can join in the Evision. That is a good platform. Thank you.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.